Usually things are very quiet at the courthouse area in the middle of the night, but this week there's a lot of activity. The street crossing in front of the north side of the courthouse around the Confederate Monument will be changing sides from the west side on the right, east side on the left. It's viewed as a greater safety in crossing between Main Street and to the courthouse. DOT workers are now on the north side of the courthouse in downtown Graham, milling and paving now on North Main Street, all along the central business district here in the 100 block. And as you can see down the street, reaching even to the 200 and 300 block, they'll stop about Albright Avenue. Meanwhile, around the courthouse per se, the work will prevent traffic in the middle of the night on Saturday this week from about 10 p.m. till 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. And then on Monday night, the paving will begin in the same area, same hours, 10 p.m. until 6 a.m. the next morning.